Once again, I'm at my local pharmacy slash barbershop slash something else at a business complex. And, oh, here they are. Is there somebody in that car? Higher. These are straight cool units with gas furnaces. Unsure of the furnace brand. This one is a Higher. And there's a little Goodman. 13 SEER. That's a 13 SEER Higher. Model number HC48D1VAR. Central air conditioner, listed air conditioner. Manufacturing date 6/5/2006. Qingdao, China. And cheap built. The pipes are freezing. That's good. Here's a little Goodman that I thought didn't work, but turns out it's quieter than that. Straight cool unit with a gas furnace. Model number on the Goodman is CKL30-1D. Serial number is 0204503066. So that was manufactured in 2002. Sweaty pipe, gas meter. And the last two units are Higher. Smaller unit. Quieter. 10 SEER. Model number is HC36A1VAS. Central air conditioner, 3-ton. Manufacturing date 2005. Made in China. Very quiet. It's pouring water. And that's something related to refrigeration with a large Tecumseh compressor. And over here is one that's actually off. There's the gas meter. Higher. This is a older model. Definitely straight cool. 10 SEER. Manufacturing date 2005. And it just turned on. Model number HC42A1VAR. 3.5 ton. So yeah. There's the gas meter. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.